Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Profile Plus. This is Padma. Do like, share, subscribe my channel to know more about communication skills and personality development. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, so let's get into the topic today. I just thought to discuss a few things about how can we look beautiful for others. See friends, all we girls or all we females always wanted to be, looking beautiful. Of course, it's quite important in these days. In fact, it is also a part of your personality. I in fact explained to you in my previous videos about personality. I also told you outward appearance is important. Yes, outward appearance is important. How you look very, pleasant is very important. Correct. So this topic is not much related to your outward appearance. I just wanted to share a few things about how can we really look beautiful in others, vision, in others' eyesight. When will we actually look beautiful? See, every female wanted to be the best, to be the most beautiful in the world, and every male, they wanted to be really smart and handsome in their lives, isn't it, with their outlooks. But when I really literally, when you all literally think about this beauty, okay, there was once a teacher asked to a 7th grade student, I am beautiful, what tense is this? Okay, by mistake the student has told it's a past tense, ma'am. Okay, probably as an English teacher she could have told that it's a wrong answer. Imagine friends, the answer what he was given could be true when you think in depth about what beauty is. Any external beauty can never be, permanent. So it's eventually a past tense. So maybe he has given a wrong answer, but if you really think into this, your external beauty is not something you permanently carry with your life. But everyone wanted to be the best in their outlooks. That's how we crave always, isn't it? And there was one story which it happened for me to read today. So which I would like to share with all of you is, see, once there was a villager who keeps listening to a lot of things about the president of the country. Okay, it was long ago. A villager was keep on receiving some achievements about the president, about what all he does for the poor people of India. Okay, so it was quite some time before where he lived in a remote village where there were no internet facilities. In fact, there were no newspapers supplied to that remote area. Okay, but still he was completely fascinated by hearing about the president. Okay, he had a very great, respect for him. So there was one fine day he heard about the president is arriving to a place which is 100 miles away from his village. So he has got a lot of, interest to see him directly. So he immediately took all the poor transport of his area, the tractor and kind, he just took all the poor transport and he in fact changed 2-3 bus and he just reached that crowd. So his only intention is to see his hero because he was so fascinated about the president, but he has never seen him. He's never seen him. Okay, reaching the crowd, he was with a lot of expectations. He was expecting a very tall, handsome, a majesty to come, into the crowd or to just, see him on the stage. That's what his expectation was. Okay, but with some impatience, he also inquired with the person next to him. Have you seen the president? How does he looks like? How does he look like? So the man replied, not great. He's of an average looking guy. Yes, he is of very average looking with a very simple looks, he said. Okay, then he just hold on, in few minutes he's going to see the person whom he thought is the hero of the whole nation. Okay, so then in few minutes the president arrived. Okay, he came with he's not a very tall or anything. He was with a very decent look, with a very neatly dressed and with a very simple looks. He just came to the crowd, and while he was just passing by the crowd, though there were a lot of people who were awaiting, who were literally waiting for him, he just stopped for this old poor village man and he gave his handshake. He gave a handshake to him. and he also inquired about his well-being. Okay, so after a few seconds he left the place. He turned, the village man, he just turned towards the person whom he inquired about his outlooks, the president's outlooks. He just turned towards that man and said these sentences. Who said he is not more handsome? Who said this person is not really handsome? I have never seen a person, the most handsome person I have seen in my life is this man. So that's what the statement he gave to the next person, the next nearby folks who were standing in the crowd. See, the villager felt that this person, the humanity, the way he just came and approached him and inquired about his simplicity, inquired about the village man. So that made him feel that he is the most handsome person in this world. So that is the same statement he immediately, without even waiting for a second, he immediately expressed to the nearby person. So he is none other than late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, also called as a missile man of India. Okay, in his thoughts, actually we have a lot of thought-provoking proverbs what he has given to the world. Okay, among that he is also told in one of his speech that I may not be that handsome man, but I can give my hand to someone in order to help him out. So this is again most inspiring quote out of what he has spoken to the crowd, isn't it? See, this has a very deep meaning into it. See, how can you look beautiful? How can you look beautiful to others? When you really help someone who is in need. So the help always need not to be in a financial way, like you don't have to spend money to help anybody. Okay, maybe the person next to you is suffering from some kind of a stress or some kind of an emotional issues. If you are a person concerned, if you are a person who is very helpful, if you can give your hand to someone at that particular moment, even your moment, even your time which is spent to them in order to give them a few motivating words can look very big for them at that particular point. Don't you all think so? See, we may have to spend a few minutes in order to pat that person and say that don't give up. But maybe your motivation, that spark, that moment may create some spark in his life. Don't you all think so, friends? See, this is how the beauty must be seen from any of our vision. See, if you are a person, if you're really looking for a beauty, please look for somebody who is beauty from inside, who is beautiful from inside, not from outside, not by outlooks. Definitely not. Okay? See, this is really important. A person who is having honesty, very kind, if he is very, very genuine, and if he is really ready to help someone who is in need, that is when you will be looked really beautiful by others. This is my small story for all of you today. I hope you would have understood. We have to fine tune our character in order to look beautiful, rather trimming the hair or rather doing a lot of makeup. Yes, of course it's all important. It's out of your own interest. Somebody is more interested with their outlooks. I never say it's wrong, but the thing which is more important than that is your character. Your character matters when it comes for the people's opinion or the people vision towards you. This is what my story for you today. Enrich, empower, emerge with English. Do wear your mask, sanitize your hands, always maintain social distancing. Situations are getting quite worse outside. Please don't forget all these points, friends. Okay, all the very best.